Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to export file as TIFF in GIMP. So there is one simple method that I recommend you to know. First, we need to go to the left upper corner and we need to click on File tab. After that, we need to go to Export as option, or you need to use shortcut from your keyboard Shift Ctrl E to let you to open Export as option. And now we need to select folder where we want to save a file. For example, I select here desktop and then I type the name for the file. For example, I will type here simple file. Now we need to go to select file type by extension option and we will see here more extension that we can use. So I'm going to scroll it down and here we can find TIFF extension. So I click on this one option and after that I click export button. Now this window should be successfully displayed and I recommend you to not change the default settings, and now we need to click export button and your file will be successfully exported to selected location. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Let me know in comment if it solves your problem.